So what are you doing?
Making dinner. But it's like 3 million degrees in here.
You're hot?
Yes.
You know, let me just turn on the fan for you.
What?
Let me turn on the fan. 1, 2, 3 at its highest setting. That is the highest setting.
What?
Let me just actually turn on the light.
Why did you? Thank you. It is now a lot cooler in here.
This is above my kitchen, and I do have, let me just show you, turn off the lights. The light settings are also low, medium, and high. That is a fan that we put in. Let me turn that off. And I do have hi-hats. Hey guys, love the show. Please keep up the great work. Today I'm bringing you another gadget. This gadget, as you saw, I use in my kitchen. It's actually a light slash fan that is plug in. Real quick, do not use this according to the instruction on dimmer switches. Consult an electrician if you're having issues and you're not concerned. If you're concerned about the any kind of electrical dangers, please do that. And the light bulb is you can't change it. So once it goes out the light, that's it. And now you'll only have the fan. So I purchased this. I thought it was a great idea. I thought it could actually add some kind of cooling capability in my kitchen. We have what's called a galley kitchen, one way in, one way out. There is no windows in the kitchen, so it could get a little warm in the kitchen when we are cooking. And what I'm looking to do is actually have the air circulating. I have a fan facing the kitchen at times when we're cooking, and then having a fan above maybe will circulate, or actually, you've been using this for a few days, has been circulating the air within the kitchen, and it's been keeping the kitchen a lot cooler than it normally is or gets before, during, and after cooking. So this really helps. This works very well. There are other options, but the other options, I believe, have much smaller fans, not this type of width with the fins and or the fan blades. And I think a lot of them do not have remotes. So this is the one I found, and it works very well. Low, medium, high for the fan, low, medium, high for the lights. And it works very well. I have hi-hats, so I use this adapter because this is not long enough. But the Bell Howell fan light socket fan cool light or cooling light on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.